My friend, and we just thought of trying out different options. Like you initially tried with transplant, right?
Yeah, I tried with transplants.
Okay.
So that didn't work for me. And after that, I used this hair fiber kind of things and all.
Mm-hmm.
Even that didn't work.
Mm-hmm. What does it mess like in a hair fiber when you use? What exactly happens?
It looks actually totally it's a artificial kind of thing. So, yeah, people can easily make out.
Okay.
And in the rain and all, you cannot go.
So, we are going to try. Okay, we thought, okay, we'll just give a try. Rajesh was. We have been interacting for quite a long time, and he has been trying out with different options. And we thought, okay, we'll try with heads, and let's see what heads can offer.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. So the transplant was over. Hair fibers we have tried, and this is his third option. And let's see how this goes.
Yes.
So Rajesh, you tried out the transplant. So how many follicles will you try?
I think almost 1,000 strands.
1,500 strands. Okay. With 1,500 strands, you got only this much of.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have started customizing the hair system according to the customer's wish. Rajesh, you would prefer to go with a medium length, or what do you prefer?
Medium length.
Medium length. Okay. Earlier you might be having on your good times with hair, you might be having some length. You might be having those photographs with you.
Yes.
Yep. We have just seen the photographs and we are doing it accordingly. Earlier he was having a kind of hair, the similar type we are trying to make for him. Let's see how it goes. What I like in this French lace system is this frontal hairline. It looks so good. Even in between, you can see the hairline in a very closer view. Looks so good in French lace hair system. The exclusive heads stuff, okay? There's exclusive head stuff here.